could be one question which can come from, which could be asked from you in an interview, that is like, where are the reporting rules configured in Argus? Reporting rules are configured in Argus in the Event Assessment tab. Where we do the event assessment, there we have the reporting rules. Because where you do the event assessment, when you decide whether this case is solicited report or an unsolicited report, this case is a suspected report or a unsuspected report, it is expected or not expected, listed or not listed, because these things will decide the reportability timeline of the case. If it is a serious case, which is a death and life-threatening case, it has to be reported within 7 days. If it is a serious case and a listed case in terms of clinical trial, it should be submitted within 15 days. If it is a serious case, which is not a death and life-threatening case, but which follows under different seriousness criteria or the categories, you need to submit the case within 15 calendar days. And in PV, we always follow the calendar days, never the working days. Always remember this. Now, this reporting rule is this kind of looks like this. This is how it is configured inside the Argus safety database. Suppose it's a single E2B report ICSR, and your report is a 15-day regulatory authority, FDA, FDA AERS, SA is serious adverse event, E2B, and your product is a marketed domestic and foreign product. So this is how we read it. And then there is advanced conditions and then the destinations. You do not need to know much about it. Advanced conditioning will be AC, FDA airs, and then the marketed products. You do not even need to, go in deep about it. It's fine. Now coming to the Argus E2B reporting. Argus E2B reporting, in any organization, you will be given two manuals. One is your ADHM, which is Argus Data Handling Manual, and another will be DEG, which is your data entry guidance. Every company has their own uh, manuals, and they give it to their employees who are working on that particular product, so that they get familiarized for what all they need to put in a case and how the reporting transmission and everything is going to happen. Now here it says refer to section 6.10 report transmission pages so and so of Argus data handling manual. Now ADHM, in any organization, you can see what are the reporting transmission rules they have. And then you will be given a complete data entry in all mandatory fields, because there are chances when there is E2B submissions failure happens. That is why we need to have this complete data entry in all mandatory fields. If any mandatory fields are also called as E2B fields. If those fields are not filled, your cases will not get submitted, and you will get an error saying that this E2B report has an error and this cannot get submitted. You can always go back and correct your case so that your case gets submitted on time. And then there is medical reviewers to review and approve FDA E2B reports for reports from all the regions. See, any report which needs to be submitted to the regulatory authority, individual case safety reports, all those reports are reviewed by the medical reviewer, who is going to review and approve the case before the case gets logged and gets submitted. So what happens? After the data entry, there will be one quality review. In the quality review, if there is any error in the case, that will be corrected. After the quality review, the case will be moved to medical review. Now, medical reviewer is going to again check the case